Hi everyone, I'm IT3 Vasquez, all the way from ESC New Haven, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Ethernet cable. Now the tools and materials you're going to need for the job are your raw cable, a pair of scissors, crimpers, your cable cutters, and your cable strippers. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to take your cable strippers, and you're going to cut the insulation right off. Spin it once. You want to be careful not to cut the wires inside the jacket. Twist and pull. You're going to notice you have this Kevlar strand, kind of looks like white hair. Take your scissors and cut it right off. Now you have four pairs here, four pairs of colors. You have a blue, orange, a green, and a brown. You want to start untwisting all of them. Now if you notice, you have a solid green and then you have a green with white on there. Okay, the same goes for the rest of the colors. Now there's a standard we're going to go ahead and follow. It's called the TIA 568A. And that standard goes as white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. As you put them in order, you want to get them as close as possible as you can. You see how they're all separated, far apart from each other? You want to get them as close as possible as you can and straighten them out. Just like that. So now once you go ahead and do that, you can just take your scissors and cut that end right off, the not so straightened out end. Now we have a nice flush cut. Now keeping the white green to your left, you're going to take your RJ45 connector and keeping the tab away from you, you're going to slide the cables right through the connector. Okay. Now let's see if I can focus in on here. So I like to show you this part as well. So if you take a look at here at this RJ45, right there's a notch. We want to make sure that the jacket is past that notch to the right. Okay, you see that notch there? The jacket is to the right. The reason why is because when you use your crimper to crimp it down, this notch is going to crimp down on the jacket and it's going to hold that jacket in place. That way it's not so, that way the connector is not easily separated. Okay, so finally you take your crimpers, and depending on the type of crimpers you have, you might notice you have two holes here. One of them is going to say an 8P while the other says 6P. All that means is one of them is 8 pins, so just like the RJ45 connector we have, it's 8 pins because it's got 8 cables on there. Stick it in right through there, and then you're going to crimp it. As you crimp it, these crimpers actually cut the cables at the end here. Okay, and there you have it. This is your Ethernet cable. You can use it for your networking device. Okay, and just follow the same steps to do the other end. So that's it. It's very easy, very simple to do. If you want to go ahead and look up the color code, you can do a quick Google search and type in TIA 568A color code, and it'll pull up hundreds of resources for you and for us Coast Guards, so we can look it up in our premise distribution student guide. Please don't forget to like my video, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.